39.30.
Karala! Tara na, Keola.
Shimmy, shimmy. Are you shimmering? Shimmy, shimmy.
Tarap-tarap dewe. Tarap-tarap dewe. Dari ni matua. Tak kira itai.
I don't know.
Dari mata pai. I know, I was coughing, sorry. Kakak ko ito. Kakak ya, kangalo.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, can I get attention please before we embark on our journey? Just a couple of things to do before we go out on our day. We're going to treat this boat like an airplane. You must stay seated at all times. The seatbelt sign is on. You can't see the tiny house. You must stay seated at all times. Once we get to our stability site, then that's the time you're most welcome to roam around our vessel now. Just our bags and our flippers, please kindly place them underneath our seats. We will need to make a pathway for our flight attendants. They'll be coming forward and back soon with you guys foods and drinks as we go through our day. I'm just kidding, we're not going to do that. For it. No smoking or vaping on my vessel. Have I catch you lighting that cigarette? I'm going to kick you guys off my boat. Other than that, ladies and gentlemen, I need 100% energy from each and every one of you guys today. So are you guys ready to have a good time today?
Yes, sir!
Before we embark on our journey, ladies and gentlemen, we'll take a quick hit count so we know how many people we're taking on this vessel. We're going to start from 1, make our way right around, including our children, end up on my right hand side. Let it clear. 1, 2, 3,
38, 39, 50. 55.
Very tan. I've never looked this brown.
I know. And your face. I can't wait.
What's your size? What's your size? What's your size of your shoes?
40, 43. 43.
Can I fit it?
Yeah. Anu para de takele ate mo. De mama nei de takele. Doriri te wa. Matangi-tangi. I'm so tan, bro.
One out in front, kill that on 3. 1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, that's okay. We still have all day to work on that. Now, when we start off, I'd like to know where my family comes from. All the Kiwis, make some noise. That's alright. Can I have any Aussies? Alright, you guys aren't Aussies. We also have a pit more eel inside our lagoon. His name is Dory. Can everyone say Dory?
Dory.
One more time, Dory.
Dory.
That is our pit more eel inside our lagoon. About the same size as my face, and he's about 2 meters long. Sometimes Dory has a good day. Sometimes Dory doesn't. So please be mindful if you guys see Dory. Do not try and pet Dory. Dory's gonna bite your fingers off. You're gonna end up with 2 chair bros in one day. Now after our snorkeling set, we're gonna head back around this island take you to one of the islands at the back. That's where you guys will be spending the second half of your day, and that's where you guys will be having your lunch. On your guys' menu today on their open fire barbie, we have yellowfin tuna, caught by those captains in the... Hopefully the sun will stay out because it looks like most of you guys need to work on your tan. And some of us don't. We'll load you guys.
39:30. Hey, don't laugh. Boys. Pa. Kakak kayak tiada orang.
Cheese! Kay Manjis the boys!
yo. Ouch, that's sharp. Bro, that's fucking sharp. Did your towel fall in?
No, I slipped.
Hi. Oh shoot. That was an awesome snorkel. Awesome snorkel. Considering the current and the weather, like we had an awesome time. It was warmer in the water than it was outside, but there was 4 of us out of the 10 that jumped in. Me, Nico, and my twin, you will see, but we had the best time in there. So awesome. It's a bit gloomy today, but it's so nice. Hi, sister.
Welcome to my life.
Welcome to my life. It's so nice. It was worth jumping in, huh? Considering the current.
It wasn't even that cold.
No, it was warm.
More of me taking off my
Hi, mama. Di mo ko na wanna. This one kay na wanna takarita.
Way too cold.
Why? No tsunami over here, mama. Mama is live. Welcome to my life. So nice.
Yeah, welcome to my life. We're just over here at Kuku Lagoon, ready to eat. Huh? That's the ladies first, ladies and the kids. Yeah, we're just Matenga is hungry. Waste of time. Why bring your towel? Didn't even swim. No, it's too cold. That's all my need.
Kela, Kela. This is our feed, bro. This is hearty as. The boys are waiting in line to get their food now. Yum. Wow. Wow. Wow! I'm gonna go for a swim, I think. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Oh.
To the channel. Hey guys, welcome to my shower. It's a shower. Please subscribe. This fella there, he's lost. Been trying to look for his mom and dad. He's lost. And this guy there with no shoes. I don't know. I just picked him up from the side of the road. He doesn't have any shoes. I felt sorry for him, so I brought him here. And this woman here, I don't know. I don't know where she came from. I think under the rock. Gotta say something. Say something to the vlog. I'm waiting. Say something, bro. Yeah, this one, I found her under the rock. She was. This one, I don't know about this one. Yeah. I saw it like swimming there, so yeah, I saw it first.
Shut up. Shut up. Idiot. Wow. So amazing. Really? You ready to go into the water? Hi, sissy. Wow. Very wow. Oh, it's cold. Look at the Kaima. Hi, sister. Okay, Emma.
She's not gonna come in. Trust me, she'll touch the water and run out.
Let's make bets. We have faith. $10.
She's coming in.
Yeah, $10. Give me my $10. The way she's walking, she's not stopping.
Wait till her daughter touches the water. She's gonna run. Oh, she's coming in.
Oh my gosh, yeah, only underneath. Fuck, $5. $5. What did I say? She's not coming in. Wow. That's so pretty. Look how blue this water is. I don't know what the camera's doing. Oh. Come, let's take a video. I'm going to snapshot it as a photo. Nikki, come here.
That way or that way?
Towards the sun, somehow.
Welcome to the WoW game. Play the WoW game.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, swim over it. Like float.
Did you get one?
Yeah, and yeah, that's what it looks like. It's already doing a mimi. If you squish it, it's like all the white shit comes out. Ew, yucky.
Oh, there's some more
Lori,
to this.
what do you call it?
Essie.
Essie, we call it lori. Squish it.
No, don't do
Put it here to dry. Scared.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, how was your guys' day today? Was it good?
Good.
3 cheers for the day today. Hip hip. Hey! Hip hip. Hey! Hey! One for the story. Hip hip. Hey! For the lunch. Hip hip. Hey! For the show. Hip hip. Hey! Strong guys of the hip hip. Hey! Happy hour. Hip hip. Hey! Captain's hip hip. Hip hip. And please give another round of applause for me, ladies and gentlemen. Captain Woodies has gone, Captain Fresh Prince, Captain Creamer, and myself, Captain Smoothie. We are now signing out. Au revoir, have a good holiday, and thank you for joining us once again here on Captain Thomas. Thank you. Alright, the seatbelt sign is off. Get off.
Akite.
Oh.
How you come up?
Drink slowly, guys. Remember.
But you drink slowly. Yeah, cut it.
That's why I thought you like anyway.
Take your
Oh,
time.
Trent took his other flipper off.
That's what I
Oh, is this when he had a cramp?
Oh,
Salam for.
Oh, check up for the second chick.
Salamat po yung single. Thank you very much. Salamat po.
Thank you. Okay, come.
Yeah.
Yeah.